All right, class. Today, let's get the ball rolling on a topic that's been taking the world by storm: e-commerce. What do you all think about it? Is it worth getting into?
Well, I think it's a no-brainer. Shopping online is becoming second nature to everyone. Plus, starting an online business can save a lot on overhead costs, right?
Yeah, I'm with Lily on this one. But Mr. Smith, I've heard some horror stories about online scams and deliveries that go haywire. I mean, not everything is sunshine and rainbows, is it?
True. My cousin ordered a pair of sneakers, and what showed up was completely off the mark, a pair of mismatched socks.
Those are valid points. E-commerce does have its hiccups, but it's also revolutionized the way we shop and do business. So let's break it down. What's the first thing that comes to mind when you think of e-commerce?
Convenience, for sure. You don't have to go through the hassle of driving, parking, or even waiting in long queues. Just a few clicks and you're good to go.
But here's the rub. Mr. Smith, how does one even start? Setting up a website, managing stock, handling customer complaints, it sounds like a handful.
You're hitting the nail on the head, Jack. It's not just about having a fancy website. It's about building a reliable system from scratch. You have to set up your supply chain, marketing strategy, customer service, and more. But with the right tools and knowledge, you can turn it into a goldmine.
That's a tall order. I mean, it sounds like you've got to put in a lot of blood, sweat, and tears.
Exactly. But think about the potential impact. E-commerce levels the playing field. A small business run from a garage can compete with big retailers if they play their cards right. Isn't that exciting?
That does sound like a game changer. But what about trust? How do you build trust when customers can't even see or touch the products?
Excellent point. Building trust is key. That's where good customer service, transparent return policies, and reviews come into play. If a business keeps its word and delivers what it promises, customers will spread the word.
So you're saying it's a double-edged sword. If you mess up, word spreads like wildfire.
Absolutely. The internet doesn't forget. But if you build a strong reputation, you'll reap the rewards.
But Mr. Smith, is it worth diving into e-commerce if we already have a good physical store? Should we be putting all our eggs in one basket?
Great question, Sarah. The beauty of e-commerce is that it can complement a physical store. It's like having a foot in both worlds. Think of it as diversifying your business.
So, in a way, it's like hedging your bets. If the physical store takes a hit, the online store can pick up the slack.
Exactly. You've hit the nail on the head again. That's why many businesses are jumping on the e-commerce bandwagon. It opens up a world of possibilities.
I guess when you put it that way, it does sound like it's worth giving it a shot. But only if you go in with your eyes wide open and plan for the worst.
Yeah, you don't want to bite off more than you can chew.
That's the spirit. It's about weighing the pros and cons and not being afraid to take calculated risks. So, who's ready to roll up their sleeves and explore this further?
Count me in. I think it's time to strike while the iron's hot.
I'm game too. Better to learn the ropes now than be left behind.
Me three. Let's not sit on the fence any longer.
That's what I like to hear. Remember, in business, nothing ventured, nothing gained. Let's dive in and see where this takes us.